What's in this box changes everything.
I know what you're thinking. What the fuck? This is the brand new Thok TK01R. A massive shout out to Bikes Online and Thok for supplying this red beast of a bike. I'm so excited. So this bike has all the good stuff. RockShox Z4, RockShox Super Deluxe rear shock, Shimano XT brakes and drivetrain, Mavic rims and insert, and it's a mullet setup. So it's got a 29-inch wheel on the front and a 27.5-inch wheel on the rear. And you probably noticed already, it's an e-bike. We're running the Shimano EP8 motor with a 630 watt battery. So we should be able to ride longer and further than we ever have been able to before. And I think this bike needs a name. So let me know in the comments what you think we should call this Thok. I was thinking the Red Rocket. I'm gonna be riding 3 destinations just outside of Perth, and they're all gonna offer their own unique challenges to really put this thing to the test.
So let's look at my crappy map. First, I'm going to ride these trails here. They're known for their loose, steep downhills. I want to know how this bike handles those steep descents. Then I'll head over here and flog this bike up some of the toughest technical climbs I've ever done. Then for the final location, I'll be hitting the jumps at the Goat Farm Mountain Bike Park for some sick airtime. I'm so keen. Let's get into these trails.
Oh, here we go.
And you may remember this rude guy.
Colour and boost. And nothing less.
No, we're going for endurance. We've got 3 locations, mate, to ride.
I'm a 2-minute wonder, I'm in and out. Let's get going, let's enjoy ourselves.
I have spent way too much time lately riding on my own in the desert, so it's so good to be out riding with my smart ass mate Lance.
Look at these trails, they look good. Let's go.
Down is up and up is down. You ready?
Yeah, mate. Oh, the old boost nearly took me out. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh, it's super skatey out here. Whoa.
What's the matter? Loose as hell.
It's so loose, dude.
I've had about 4 close ones already.
It's super skatey, and I haven't even made it to the steep stuff yet.
Oh, whoa! Oh, yes, it dropped. Definitely feel the weight of an e-bike. Oh, getting steep. Dude, I'm a bit out of control, eh? Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, damn, that was a pretty gnarly first run down the hill.
It's been a while since I rode steep, loose downhill tracks, but after a few runs, I started to relax more and put more trust into the Thok. The Thok.
These are the trails I love. Oh, nice. Oh, this not so much. So far, very sick. Feeling a lot better on the rock gardens than I expected, and I'm a little lost. Hey, Branch. It's better than sitting in the shuttle bus.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Now let's find some steeper trails. I was a little nervous the first few times dropping into the steeps.
I don't think this one's been ridden for a while.
But the XT brakes paired with the Maxxis Assegai tyres, it feels like the perfect combo.
Oh, and the dust!
And even though this bike weighs 25 kilos, the mullet setup makes it feel way more playful than I ever expected.
There's a jump!
And I can't wait to hit some bigger jumps when we get to the goat farm. We did find this sweet little drop though.
Drop in!
The Red Rocket is super fun in these conditions. Even Lance wanted to ride.
Oh, he just can't handle the power, mate. Well, he must like it because I can't keep up with him.
Oh my God!
First destination done and dusted, that was sick. We're gonna hit the valley now, do some steep technical climbs, see what this beast is capable of.
Gee, boys.
The last time I was here, I hiked most of the climbs, but the Thok turns those climbs into a fun balancing game.
Oh yes! Oh nice!
And then we found this cool rock slab to ride up. I was shocked when we got to the top of this lookout.
Whoa!
It actually looks like people have been riding down the rock face.
Look, they're tire marks. You're not just gonna drop into that.
Why not? There's tire marks. That means it's doable.
Dude! Bro, don't do it. It's too steep.
Steep.
Are you seriously going down this?
Just go slow, man.
And as usual, the camera never shows how steep this stuff really is.
I don't think this is the line, you know. It's too narrow. I hate these shorts.
Dude. I'm actually myself watching. Your leg's shaking.
I'm not that flexible.
You've definitely brought your big swingers, that's for sure.
I don't think I can ride up that.
And now that that anxiety-inducing rock is out of the way, it's time to enjoy a fun, raw descent.
Oh yes, this is very cool. Oh. That was steep. This is good.
We've been riding for about 20 kilometers now, and we've covered heaps of elevation.
Oh yes! Oh, yes! Oh, that's sharp rocks. Whoa! Oh my god! I don't even know what that was called, but that was so good.
I haven't even left the bell on for your videos.
Oh, I'm starting to feel cooked.
We still need to get this bike airborne, and we have the perfect destination for it. But did someone say smoko?
We need to get you some M&A gear, mate.
And finally, it's time to hit some jumps. The Goat Farm would have to be one of the most popular mountain bike parks in Western Australia. It has a mad skills park that's so good for jump progression. This should be the perfect location to see if we can get this big beast off the ground. We start on the blue jump lines.
Let's go. Oh, that wind blew me. Yeah! Yeah, makes a bit more pulling.
Doesn't take us long, and we're onto the black trail.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's twisting fast. Taste it. All right, again.
I'm struggling to get this last step up clean.
Ah. Oh, I just can't. Not going home until we clear it.
Oh, I need a break. Let's see how Lance does it. Alright, I can't let him show me up. A few more attempts.
Drop in!
Yeah, the Thok jumps.
I can't stand it when people don't pick up the cheese box.
Thanks Lance for a fun ride, and thank you Thok for making such a fun ride. The Red Rocket handled all today's challenges beautifully. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave this video a comment. It really helps that weird algorithm. Woohoo! If you feel like watching another one of my videos, check this one out. It's the very first time I rode an e-mountain bike. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Oh, he's gonna fucking drop it. This is funny. This is funny.